Hi guys, it's a bright sunny day out there. I'm still not very well and the postman's been, and I know what both these items are. This one's from AliExpress. It's a Grandad is an old man, and it's going to be some gears, some more gears, just pinion gears, so we'll have a look at them in a minute. And this is going to be a coil of copper pipe. So copper pipe, so I can do another pop boat. I just thought I'd order some copper pipe so we could do one of those rather than the aluminium pipe I've been using. You don't get very much for your money though when you buy copper pipe or brass pipe. That's supposed to be a metre. So, well, that's that. I'll do a separate video obviously for the pop boat when I get to it. And then this one, well, I don't know. Every time I order these, I order a different type, and they never look to be quite like what I'm looking for. I can see straight away the holes in those are 2mm clearance rather than 2mm to fit on the shaft. I think. And if you remember what they're for, that's for this fella. So keep taking them apart, keep trying to replace the gears, and each time have another problem. Well, those are the ones I got the other day. Those are 10 tooth. The new ones are 9 teeth. And they look too small to me. Not having much luck with this. Oh, this pipe kept falling off, so I've actually got to screw up the inside now so I can lift it up by the pipe. That's the previous ones that I ordered. The new ones, that's hopeless, isn't it? That's even smaller. The problem is, they're just not big enough. This one here is still, if I don't think we can see, but yeah, there's a lot of slop in there. So these were the closest fit I was able to get, and they do work, but they seem to be, I don't know what it is it the modulus? I don't know what the actual correct phrase is. But it's the angle of the teeth. Yeah, I'll have to look it up sometime. I don't know what the right word is. So although it's got the right number of teeth on it, and they do work, there's too much slop there, and at some time or other it's going to slip and the teeth are just going to get damaged. And I think that was my third or fourth attempt at finding the right teeth online, the right gear online. This is my latest attempt, and well, we can see it's even smaller. I want bigger, not smaller. So that's hopeless. At least I'm only paying 99p or something like that at a time. Mind you, I think that bundle there was only about 94p or something. And I've paid a whole 99p just for 10 there. And they're still the wrong ones. So we're not doing very well. Sorry I don't sound a bit more upbeat, that's actually the cold, that's not me just being totally depressed about getting the wrong gears. Right, I'm not even going to bother trying to fit that on there. It's a smaller gear, it's even more likely to slip. Those were pretty close. I think I demonstrated this on the previous video. You can hear the difference. That gear there, although it's still not quite the right one, is a better match. So if I turn the wheel, it sounds relatively quiet, whereas this one, because it's a loose fit, you can hear it clicking and rattling. So it's not going to last for as long as that one will. And those latest, newest ones, which are even smaller, well, as I say, I'm not even going to bother trying to fit them. They're too small.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.